It is an honor to have you all here today, celebrating the wonders of science and the incredible achievements of our students. Today we stand on the frontier of discovery where curiosity meets innovation and imagination transforms into reality.
We are thrilled to share our projects with you today, from exploring the mysteries of the universe to solving real-world problems. We have worked hard to bring our ideas to life. Through science, we have discovered new ways of thinking, problem solving, and collaborating. We have learned to question, experiment, and innovate, and most importantly, we have had fun. Our project showcases the diversity of science, from chemistry and physics to biology, and we have investigated topics like renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and medical breakthroughs. We are proud of what we have achieved. Hope you will be inspired by our passion for science. We are the next generation of scientists, thinkers, and learners, and we are excited to make a difference. So come and explore our exhibits, ask us questions, and learn about the science that fascinates us. Let us increase the power of science to transform our world. Thank you all for joining us on this scientific journey. Let's ignite a love of science that will change the world.
மடியினில் சுமப்பவர் மனதினை வளைத்தார் தாங்குமா. இறைவன் தந்த இந்த இயற்கையினை முன்னே உலகம் மறந்ததே. சொலைவனமும் அதன் மகரந்தமும் நாம் இழந்து தவிப்பதே. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் யோசித்தார், இயற்கையை நேசித்தார், சொர்க்கமென பூமியை மாற்றலாம். நீரும் நானும் உலகின் வளங்களை போற்றி போற்றி காப்போம்.
My name is Aryani, and today I feel very proud to speak few words on India's historic successful moon mission Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is the third moon mission launched on 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. On 23rd August 2023, the mission was achieved successfully, soft landing on the surface of the moon. It aims to learn from the experiences and challenges faced during Chandrayaan-2 mission to ensure a successful landing this time. The main goal of Chandrayaan-3 is to search for water ice on the moon. In Chandrayaan-3, we will also study the moon's geology, history, and environment. The mission's objective is to soft land a rover on the moon's south pole. It will make India the fourth country to land a rover on the moon after the United States, Russia, and China. It is also expected to generate new scientific knowledge about the moon's geology, water resources, and atmosphere. It is also expected to generate new scientific knowledge about the moon. Chandrayaan-3 is the testament for India's growing technology and scientific capabilities. Chandrayaan
Today we are excited to present our Arduino-based obstacle avoidance or car project. This innovative project showcases how creativity and technology can come together to solve real-world problems.
Our obstacle avoidance car is designed to navigate autonomously using Arduino Uno microcontroller. Our ultrasonic sensor detects any human before 15 centimeter. It can work using the 4 gear TT gear motors.
The component used in project is ultrasonic sensor. It is measure the distance, and the L298N module it is controlling the motor. Arduino is a brain of the robot.
This project taught us valuable skills in programming, electronics and teamwork. We believe that with further development, such technology could update more advanced autonomous projects with further compassion.
Thank you.
And myself, Yasuparna.
We are from 9th A2. We done a project about poultry farming. Raising of birds domestically or commercially is known as poultry farming. India is the third largest producer of egg and fifth rank in meat production.
Poultry farming breeds are layers, broilers, dual purpose and fighters. Chickens that we grow for egg purpose are called as layers, and that are grown for meat purpose are called as broilers. Grown for both meat and egg purpose known as dual purpose, and grown especially for fighting game is called fighters.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself J. Salman Ahmed and this is our team. M. Sakti Sarvesh, Rahul Bhattacharjee, S. M. Ram. We are here to explain about the prototype of solar tracker that we have made. Our project's name is Solar Tracker, which is mainly used so that the intensity of the light, that means the energy production, is increased by 25 to 30%. The concept is like a sunflower, which detects where the sunlight is coming from and turns accordingly. Components we have used: LDR module, solar panel, DC gear motor, L298N motor driver module, HW battery. First, I am going to explain about the LDR module, which is also known as light dependent resistor. Its main reason is to sense where the light is coming from and send signal to the L298N motor driver module. L298N motor driver module is a high power motor driver module for driving DC motors. It senses the signal sent from LDR module and sends information to the DC gear motor to whether turn left or right. This is the DC gear motor. It is the main component for our project so that it can turn left or right by signal sent by the L298N motor driver module. Now we are going to say about the consequences of global warming and greenhouse effect. We are from grade 9 year 2. My name is Jagadish Narendran Kit Rahul Charan.
I am going to say what is global warming. Global warming is an effect caused by surrounding and it increases the temperature of Earth's atmosphere.
So now I'm going to tell about consequence of global warming. Consequence of global warming means causing the earth more heat and radiation through the factories produce more smoke and affect the village people. The factory's temperature can seen through the thermostat and the ventilation outlet for the factory. And this is our greenhouse effects. Automatic plant watering system. Automatic plant watering system pour the water automatically when the moisture is on. When the moisture is low, it automatically pumps the water. When the moisture is high, it stops the pump water. You can see this is moisture sensor, and this is automatic flame detector. It detects the flame 1 minute. It detects the flame when the flame was near or when the smoke was near, and it pump the water and through the LED and buzzer. Now Charan will explain the demonstration. When the flame was near, it automatically pumps the water and the LED and the buzzer was closed. To save the earth and don't
Save the earth and global.
I am Sindhu.
Myself, Hippie Janani.
Myself, I am Deepika.
We are going to explain the topic about integrated farming. It is based on the concept that there is no waste.
Poultry farming. Poultry farming can be raised for eggs, meats, and feathers.
India ranks third in the egg production and sixth in the chicken meat production in the world.
Dairy farming is a class of agriculture for the long-term period of production of milk.
Pisciculture. Pisciculture is the process of growing fishes and selling it or using its product as a domestic or commercial use. The excretion of goat is also used as feeding for fishes. Apiculture is also known as honeybee farming. Apiculture is the care and management of honeybee farming for the production of honey and wax.
Crop production is followed by the worldwide farmers to produce crops and is also used to produce fibers.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Arshalan. Today I am going to explain the topic hydroponics. Hydroponics is nothing but a future type of irrigation where there is no soil is included. Yes, you heard me right. It is an irrigation where there is no soil is included. First, the plants will grow only with water, oxygen and sunlight. The water from the can will be pushes the water to this first floor, and again the plants will take the nutrients and again will be going to the second floor. These plants will also take the nutrients and again will be going back to the tank itself. The water will be surplus where there is a lots of water is saved, and also soil. We can save a lot of energy, which is very useful for our next generation. Okay, you can see the water saving difference because if you use a normal type of irrigation, 70 liters of water will be used for growing just 1 kg of tomatoes. But if you use hydroponics, only 4 liters of water is enough. If you want to add more nutrients to your plants, you can also grow fishes down your tank. Yeah, the fish excrement will also be a nutrient for your plants. Now let's see how it works. It is a working model. I am turning on the pump. The water will be going to the first floor and to the second floor, and the water will be, see, the water is going down there to the can. Going down to the can. I just turned. It is a very handy. You can also use this in balcony and also as a land farming. It is very useful and it will be lots of energy saved for our next generation to live a happy life. Thank you. Myself MS Lakshmi Bala. Myself N Janavi. Myself S Amshardri. Myself S Mahati. We are from 9th year 1. Mitosis. It was first discovered by filming in 1879. In this cell division, one parent cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells, each with a nucleus having the same amount of DNA, same number of chromosomes. Interphase. Before entering to the interphase, mitosis, a cell spends a period of its growth under interphase. It undergoes the following phases when interphase. Prophase. The prophase immediately follows the cell cycle S phase and G2 phase. The nucleus and nuclear membrane starts to disappear at this stage. Metaphase. At this stage, the chromosomes are started to are arranged at the center of the cell. Anaphase. In anaphase, chromosomes are started to move at the opposite poles. It is pulling by spindle fibers and are holding the chromosomes. Telophase. In telophase, it is the end of the mitophase. As a result, 2 daughter cells have been seen. Here you can see the shrinkage of cytoplasm. Cytogenesis, that is cell divisions of the 2 daughter cells. Thank you.
My name is V. Harikrishnan, studying 9th standard year 2. Going to say about vacuum cleaner. A process of vacuum cleaner is a principle, particular vacuum. It generates a succession to vacuum the dust particles. And I have material required for battery, lithium battery, switch and motor and flexible pipe. Centrifugation is helps to separating the promote the accelerate to in solid, liquid and mixture stage, and a washing machine spin at 600 to 1600 rpm. It helps to dry the clothes. We are telling about microscope considered as part of the microscope. Microscope used to magnify the object and cannot be seen with the naked eyes. It is invented in 1931 by Mark Knoll. It is used to investigate the electron microscope and biological and inorganic specimens,
including microorganisms, cells, large molecule, and the bias example are known as the electron microscope. Thank you.
My name is Priyadeeran. I am studying in standard A1. We are going to say about formation of coal. First layer is peat, and second layer is lignite, and third layer is bituminous coal, and fourth layer is anthracite coal. Thank you.
Myself, J. Krishnapriya. Myself, B. Harshita. We are from 8A4. Today we are going to explain about RNA structure. RNA is expanded as ribonucleic acid structure. It is composed of 4 nitrogenous substances, sugar phosphates, and 4 nitrogenous bases called adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Forms template structure, helices, and other conformations has primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is L. Shivesh. We are from grade 8A1. We are going to explain about a lightning conductor. Anyone have idea about electric conductor? It's no problem, I will explain. A lightning conductor can protect the property and life with vicinity. A lightning conductor is a long rod made up of thick copper wire, which is the good conductor of electricity. Then the rod is connected to a thick copper wire and the wire is exerted into the ground, thus prevent the building from damage. The copper strip is extended to the ground and attached to a metal disc. The lightning conductor is installed on the tallest buildings. A lightning conductor is installed on the tallest buildings to prevent the building from being struck by lightning and thunderstorm. And another information about Benjamin Franklin. Franklin proved that lightning contained electricity. During thunderstorm, he flew a kite with a metal key. The metal key produced sparks. This experiment helped him to prove the lightning contained electricity. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Now we are going to explain hydraulic braking system. We can see some of the advantages of hydraulic braking system. Hydraulic braking system uses brake fluid typically contains glycol, ethers and diethylene glycol. It is based on the principle of Pascal's law. Now we can see how it is working.
First, we want to connect the connector to the battery, connect the wire to DC motor and switch. On the switch, the CD will rotate. We want to push the cylinder A, the water will force the cylinder B and stop the CD.
The hydraulic braking system is based on the principle of Pascal laws. The invention of hydraulic brake is goes to Hugo Meyer of Germany in 1918, but it didn't catch on. After that, in 1914, Malcolm Lowgard invented hydraulic braking system, which requires. Thank you.
I had done a buzzer wire project. Material required for this project are wood, switch, battery, buzzer, and metal wire connecting wires also. First, we want to connect from one end from the wire from the battery to the switch, and the other end of the switch is connected to this metal wire. Then the other wire from the battery connected to this buzzer. The other end of the buzzer, this wire is connected to this metal wire.
Okay, I'll ask you.
Would you like to try this one? The rules of this game is do not touch and go till the end. If you touch means the buzzer will give the sound.
Oh, I should not touch.
Yes, ma'am.
Touching, I can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll try.
You have 5 chances.
Oh, so many obstacles you have kept.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, my name is Nicholas. I'm studying 7th A1. I'm going to explain about free electricity by circular motor. From this electricity, we get a free electricity. I pour the water here, and the water come down in the small pipe. The small pipe is there, no? So the water give the more force of water. In the force of water, the plastic spoon will move the circular motor. Then the energy go to the motor is made to half an hour to heat. Then the motor is heat, and heat and electricity give to the LED, and excess electricity give to the battery. Thank you.
A warm welcome to everyone. Myself Priyanjana. Myself H. Mahashri. We are from grade 7A grade. Now we are here to give a speech about forest, our lifeline. Deforestation, the regular cutting of forests, creating lots of negative effects over the climate, environment and biodiversity. The whole atmosphere as well as treating the culture and physical survival of the human being. Followed by Anjana. Afforestation. Forest is our lifeline. Forests provide us with fresh air to breathe, food, medicines and other sources like wood, food and other raw materials for the industries. People need to take steps to improve forest cover rather than decrease it. Thank you. Save earth, save trees.
The topic is electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process of chemical changing of electric current. In this, you can see the cations, positively charged ions, anions, negatively charged ions. In this, oxygen was lost. In this, hydrogen was lost with the help of salt water. In this, salt water symbol is sodium NaCl. Oxygen symbol is O2. Oxygen symbol is O2. Hydrogen symbol is H2. Thank you. It will demonstrate how safe it is to land and navigate on the moon. It was successfully launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center on Sriharikota.
My name is G. Ashwin from grade 7 standard A2. Today I am going to talk about my project Smart Home. Topics: what are the materials I used? What is Smart Home? Where we can use this Smart Home? Smart Home. Today I am going to say about Smart Home. Vocal commands. Switch off light. Thank you.